So reassembling the steering column here. So what we did actually is we put the Tahoe shift gear in here. We put the shift cable through the whole car. I also put the Tahoe key ignition in the car, the turn signal. But this is still the original 97 steering column. But the one thing is that the horn does not go back on, which I tried here, but we broke the bad boy, and it just kept on honking. So I had to just kept honking and honking. So here, we're just going to reassemble the steering column. Show you guys how I did it, or how I'm gonna do it. So we had to put this piece back on. That goes first. This goes second. And then we gotta get our pin rack. Put that on. It's kind of a bugger, actually. Give it kind of a squeeze back. Like so. It's a little hard to get back on. Then we have our thing to push it back on. This piece threads onto here. We're going to snug it up. Sorry about being nighttime. It's about the only time I got to do this. They match. Make sure this is kind of centered. This is gonna put pressure back onto that. I'll show you guys about right there. We gotta let that free up. Okay. So now you can kind of see the lip. Showing up. We're gonna get the thing just past it. Just like so, so it catches the teeth. Then I'm going to move this thing. I'm gonna get both my hands on that bad boy. See, now it's on there. So I get my flathead screwdriver. A little more surface to push with. That's gonna go in there. So then we'll go back with this and release it. See, now that catches it. Let's see, we lose our horn, so we can't be road raging. But I think I'm just gonna get an air horn and we're gonna deal with our problems that way. So that goes on. Then what we're gonna do is we got our clock spring, wherever I put the bad boy at. my rage of failure. A little bit of a mess. We're still in the midst. Get this all handled. Where'd I put you? Oh. More parts than you can imagine. Oh, that was just hanging right here. So, you have to make sure this guy doesn't spin itself. Let's see here, it's kind of good, but it only goes on one way. And that one needs a snap ring. You're gonna want to get some snap ring pliers. I got these at old AutoZone. Get this guy on there. That guy's on. I'm gonna get my plastic back on. This is the 2001 steering column cover. I had to clip some pieces off of it, but this guy fits better than the 97 one. Kind of pushes on. I'm gonna get our bottom piece. Now this is not meant for this car. I have a lot of adjusting to do to get this guy working out. Then I'm gonna get our 97 steering wheel. Now I don't have any removal videos, but she's looking good. Push that on there. There's my nut out. Busted my nuts. Now you need a 22mm socket, but today I'm just securing it on there. She has a steering wheel again, don't do that. You can see we're gonna strip it pretty good. So that's a no-go. And then, yeah, we have our steering column. Alright, reconnect our battery. Make sure the horn doesn't go off again. Might want to get you one of these. These are made for the GM. So, after that, the key works. And this is the 2001. What I did is I used the whole entire 2001 wire harness from the car. This is 2001 fuses. Fuse block. I gotta fit all this in there. Fix that. This is out of a 2006 Silverado Dash. I cracked it, but everything is from the Tahoe. And we have our 5.3. This is the 2001 fuse box, air intake, all original 2001 EGR. Headlights work. Now, one thing we got going on is my put it back in park, boys. See, I don't have any of my cluster get instruments working. Gotta figure that out. Could be wiring and anywhere in there. But she's on. She starts up with the key from the Tahoe. No standalone harness. This is all 2001 Chevy Tahoe parts. We had to do this. It took about 7 months to get to this point. It's a lot of work, but it's well worth it. I didn't spend too much on the car, about 800 bucks, but we're gonna have to get rid of it. Friend Carrie here.
Did you recheck the power steering?